Hi, and thanks for listening in, and please do keep watching this video and keep listening in, because today I want to tell you how you can sell affiliate products using the power of webinars without expensive monthly software and never standing in front of a camera. This is truly a dream solution. You actually get experts to sell your affiliate products for you. Now, it's a fact that webinars sell and webinars sell big. So why should you be frozen out? Why should webinars only be the domains of the gurus and the big boys? You know the situation as it is now. You need your own high value product to use webinars, and the cost and skills needed to profit from these highly lucrative sales methods put it way out of the reach of the majority of internet marketers. Have you ever thought that you could massively boost your sales if only you could have the same advantages as those making huge bank with webinars? Of course you have. In fact, you're probably trying to build a list, or maybe even that's too much work for you. It doesn't matter, because it takes time, it takes money, it takes training. You need new tools, new ideas, new products on a continuous basis. It's a real roller coaster that you can't get off, but you can't seem to make book with either. Now, webinars look like the perfect solution, but the main applications require huge monthly payments. In fact, they are some of the most expensive tools in the whole industry. Now, there's a good reason why they cost an arm and a leg. It's because they simply work and make a lot of money for the people who use them. But it's no simple task to put a webinar together. Technically challenging, hard to produce high quality content, problems presenting to the camera, just too many moving parts, any one of which will stop most marketers in their tracks. Now, I know because I've been in that exact position. Now, a few years back, I ran a highly successful coaching course and I wanted to promote it with webinars. I had all the challenges I mentioned above and more. It just wasn't feasible. However, I did some digging, or some deep digging, and I talked it through with a few contacts that were making big bucks with webinars at that time. I came up with a master plan of my own. I noticed that there were a few software products on the market that let you run automated webinars, basically webinar replays. Now, you still had to create the webinar originally, but it meant I could record the webinar on my own time, edit the video, get it perfect, and play it to my prospective customers. But I was rapidly disappointed. I avoided the big players like GoToWebinar. They were just so hugely expensive it never would have worked. Now, I tried every other vendor that promised a great evergreen webinar program at a sensible price, and I threw every one of them into the bin. They just didn't work. I mean, some simply failed to work correctly, others didn't give you enough functionality to, sort of watch what I actually wanted to do. Most still require bucket loads of work before you could even get started. And some committed the biggest sin of all. They pretended that their automated webinars were actually live with all sorts of trickery and stuff to fool the attendees. Now, how can you start a business relationship by lying to your customers? It just doesn't make any sense. So my only recourse was to build a system for myself, and I did exactly that. It took me months of testing and trialing everything, but eventually it all came together. I had discovered exactly what was needed to make this work, and primarily it needed to be easy for the attendee or the potential customer to get at it. It needs to be fully flexible as to the time they wanted to attend. It needs to have great value and engaging content, of course, and it needs to have a great offer at the end of the webinar. It needs to have some scarcity built in to improve the conversions, and be able to collect email addresses, and of course be able to follow up after the webinar with more emails for more conversions. And I promoted my coaching course for a long time, and it was very successful with these automated webinars. And of course, at this point, I was still creating the webinar videos. I was lucky enough to have enough programming skills to be able to automate the whole process. Now, roll forward a couple of years and I can see that all the mainstream webinar companies are now offering evergreen or automated webinar functionality with their systems. And a lot of big marketers are using automated webinars. It's hardly surprising because they're just so successful, and obviously the demand is there because the mainstream companies are actually supplying that function. But again, the age-old problem. Still only the elite are able to use these systems because everyone else is held back by price, inability to create content, or perform in front of a camera. It was at this point that I realized that some way of making automated webinars freely available to everyone was exactly what was needed. Now, my personal system wasn't suitable as it had too many manual processes, So I sat down to create a system that would allow literally anyone to create high quality, effective and efficient automated webinars that could sell anything, and that had to include affiliate products. It needed to be drop dead simple to use and super fast to create the webinars. It was a tall order, but one I was up to. So after months of research, learning, designing, sitting in front of the computer and chucking a few grand into it as well, I finally came up with a solution to automated webinars. Now, one big discovery was the availability of pre-recorded webinars, actual webinars and other training videos that you can use as your own, completely free and completely legitimately. And in almost every niche. Finally, anyone can create their own custom automated webinars. And you never need to spend a single second in front of the camera. You never have to buy any expensive video software. You never have to make any presentations or create a single video or pay a ridiculously high monthly fee or spend weeks understanding the technicalities of the system before you can even use it. And there's no need to create your own products. In fact, all you need to do is select your affiliate product, your webinar video and a free attendance bonus, all from inside Easy Pro Webinars. Fill out a few fields in the form and click a button. It's really that simple. And you can do that as many times as you want. There's absolutely no limit. That means unlimited webinars, which means unlimited income streams. In fact, it's so simple, I have recorded a live video of me creating an automated webinar in just 1 minute. And I'm going to show that to you right now. So I'm here at getting started. So let's just go for it, shall we? Hit the start button. I'm going to select a niche. I'm going to choose internet marketing or affiliate marketing. I'm going to get started, take us to the main form. And from there, we're going to pick a product. And I'm going to go for this Affiliarama. I need a bonus URL from internet marketing section, the master plan. We need a webinar. I've got a webinar here. I'm just going to, before I select that, collect the description. So I can just go back and put the description in down here. I'm going to put an arbitrary stop, pop-up and end time for the demo. And I'm going to go to my Aweber to grab my web form. And I'm going to pop that in this section here, and then I just need to put in my details, click webinar, and there we go. Your webinar has been created, the power of affiliate marketing on your online business, which is the name of the webinar. And I'll stop that off at 59 seconds and 6/10, so just under a minute. Brilliant. Pretty cool, right? So if you have any success at all online, or even no success at all, think about this. How easy it would be to create an email list if you were giving away access to free webinars. Webinars are one of the best training grounds around because they're usually packed with super high quality information. In fact, many webinars have more actionable content than some paid training courses. Think how easy it would be to sell products using webinars. Webinars are so engaging that they really pre-sell any product that you want to promote on the end of it. It's like a personal salesman doing all the work for you, building an email list in any niche, making affiliate product sales, actually creating a real sustainable business that you can scale to be as big as you like. Now, Easy Pro Webinar works in almost any niche. Now, currently there's about 46,000 affiliate products to choose from directly inside the application. So you'll never be short of products to promote. And of course, you can also add any affiliate products from any other network if you want. And with hundreds of thousands of webinars and videos that you can make your offer truly unique. You can select from over 100 free attendance bonuses for your viewers or add your own. The choice is yours. So let's just take a little peek inside Easy Pro Webinars. To start, you just need to select from any of the products that Easy Pro Webinar finds for you in your chosen niche. And this example below here, it shows a small selection in the diet niche. So it's just simply click one of these and it will automatically populate your creation form. You then choose a webinar or video from the niche option inside Easy Pro Webinars again. You find a suitable webinar video for every niche. This example shows a bass fishing niche. I told you there were videos for almost every niche that you can think of. Then you select a free bonus for the attendees. There are already over 100 to choose from inside, and of course again you can add your own if you wish, and they're all categorized for you inside. Just then complete the form, click the Create Webinar button at the bottom of there, and it will generate your custom automated webinar. So why do webinars work? Why do these automated webinars work so well? Well, let me tell you a bit about this, what I call the webinar sales funnel, because that's what it is. It's not just a webinar, of course. There's a whole process through which it runs. And at every stage of the webinar process, it's designed for the highest conversions. Every step is psychologically designed to move the subscriber to the next step and grow the anticipation, the engagement, the interest, and the urgency to that final goal, which is your product sale. Now, first of all, you get a high conversion registration. It's a friendly and encouraging registration page with a pseudo two-step registration that drives high conversions even from cold traffic. This is one of the best list building systems around, making for a very low customer acquisition cost. Now here's an example of the form that we generated for you for the registration form. Okay, you can then drive instant engagement. Subscribers are taken to the thank you page after they're registered and encouraged to view the webinar immediately. The page includes a local time notice which helps to drive the subscriber to actually view it now. As you can see, their local time on the top says the free webinar is available now. Confirms that it registers, tells them what it is, and gives them of course a button to click. You then need to increase anticipation, so the subscribers are taken to a webinar access page and an active timer counts them in to the webinar, and this increases the anticipation. Then you make the attendees stick. Now the webinar attendees are encouraged to stay on the webinar with a promise of a special offer at the end, which will be your paid offer, and a free attendee bonus, which is the bonus you've added to give away. Now a message tells the attendees to wait for the pop-up links. You can see here as the webinar is running. In this example, you can see the message on the right hand side saying your free bonus download link will pop up shortly. Then of course you want to promote your paid product and add urgency, so a pop-up will appear at your chosen time to make your special paid offer. A top banner, countdown timer as urgency to encourage a quick purchase, and tip over the fence sitters. The special offer, your product, will disappear when the counter hits 0. This gives you a great opportunity to reopen the offer in your email follow-up series. And again, you can see an example here of the end of the webinar with the timer bar at the top in red, the link to click to go to both the attendance bonus and the special offer, and the message which is now animated to draw their attention. Now when the webinar finishes, EasyPro Funnels doesn't stop promoting. This large call to action message is posted on the screen, and an animated background, as I say, is used as a disruptor to grab the viewer's attention. So what makes EasyPro better than the competitors? Well, pretty much everything really. In fact, I'd venture to say that there's no real competition for EasyPro webinars. Sure, there are many software products and services that allow you to run automated webinars, but you still need to create the webinars. You need to create the products, and you probably need to pay an extortionate monthly fee. EasyPro Webinars is the only software that allows you to create automated webinars in a few minutes and without needing your own products, videos, or anything else. As for list building, this is also extremely simple and fully automated. EasyPro Webinars works with almost any autoresponder, so there's no need to spend out on a new autoresponder. Just use the one you already have. If you don't have one, then you're not restricted to any specific one. Again, the choice is yours. And we all know that time is tight, so speed is of the essence. This is one of EasyPro's webinars' big advantages. It takes literally a few minutes to create a new automated webinar. You really can be up and running, promoting and selling today. Auto webinars save you time and money by finding the products and the webinar videos for you. You can use any affiliate product or your own, so you'll never be short of products to promote. In fact, EasyPro Webinars will find the best affiliate products for you automatically. EasyPro Webinars is not stuffed with features that you'll have to pay for, never use, but still got to waste all your time learning. It's very easy to just follow the process. You'll never need to make videos yourself or appear on camera, so this is user-friendly and eminently practical for even the most extreme reclusive internet marketers. Everything is click simple. Just click to select the videos, click to select the affiliate products, and click to select the attendance bonuses. Copy the webinar description and complete the simple form. It's as easy as that. And the service is web-based, so you can access using any internet browser. So it's both PC and Mac compatible. In fact, as long as you have an internet access, you can use Easy Pro Webinars from anywhere. So still dreaming of running your online business from the side of the pool? Well, Easy Pro Webinars puts you one step closer. And you won't need any high monthly fees to keep using this service, and the actual webinars will be yours. You download them and have full control over them, not located on somebody else's server where you could suddenly lose the service and all your hard work and your income in one go. And to ensure you get a complete package with Easy Pro Webinars, we've thrown in extensive training on how to generate both free and paid traffic. Full training on the top traffic methods and some lesser known but easy, free or low cost methods to get you started right out of the gate. No matter your current skills or budget, we have something for you. And because automated webinars are simply free training, there's no restrictions to how you promote them or send traffic to them. They're completely social network friendly. So very easy to promote using both free and paid methods. So Easy Pro Webinars, the ultimate in simplicity for creating evergreen automated webinars. So what are we actually offering? Of course, you get full access to the Easy Pro Webinar application online. There's full traffic training tutorials, extensive video training course to suit all budgets and expertise. We know you will want to maximize the benefits of Easy Pro Webinars, so we've included the video training covering a number of the main traffic sources like Facebook, Google and YouTube. And of course, we have included an extensive SEO course and some less known but easy to implement traffic sources, both free and low cost, to get you going. And there's a launch special offer of a full commercial license. So this means that for this launch period only, we are including a full commercial license so you can create and sell your auto webinars. We've also got some fast action bonuses. Easy Pro Webinars is a completely standalone and works brilliantly, but we want to make sure you get the maximum for your money and the most benefits from being one of the first to get your hands on Easy Pro Webinars. So we've included some fast action bonuses for those that purchase today. Now we've done the research for you to find the highest paying offers in 3 of the most popular niches. The first bonus is in the internet marketing niche, so saving you hours and hours of research and figuring out what are the best paying affiliate internet marketing products available. These top products are currently paying the highest commissions per sale to affiliates, and many have recurring monthly payments, which means up to $1,500 per sale. Bonus 2, health and fitness. If you want to work outside the internet marketing niche, no problem. Here is a list of the highest paying affiliate health and fitness products, one of the biggest niches on the internet with many sub niches, this hugely profitable niche to be in. Bonus 3, dating and relationships, another huge niche, a rabid audience and lots of affiliate products for you to offer your potential customers. Now we've put together a list of the top paying affiliate products in the dating and relationship niche. Now all these bonuses include full historical data of the products and have been chosen for their high average commissions per sale. Now, what exactly does all that come to and how much is it going to cost? You're thinking that's a lot of product and it's liable to cost me a lot of money. Well, it isn't. So just hang in there as we go through this. You're going to get full access to the Easy Pro Webinar web-based application. So that's no limit to the amount of webinars you can create. That means multiple income streams. Affiliate products are automatically suggested for you, saving you time and work. Webinar videos are automatically suggested for you. You never need to create any videos. Choose from over 100 free attendance bonuses, saving you hundreds of dollars in products you don't have to buy. Automatic creation of registration forms to catapult the emails and build a list, and a unique scarcity function built in to improve the sales and conversions at the end of the webinar. Now in real terms, that's kind of worth about $324 if you were paying this for 12 months on a monthly basis. You also get a full commercial license. Not only can you generate your own leads, emails and affiliate sales with Easy Pro Webinars, you can create and sell the actual automated webinar funnels themselves. This is a huge value to you. It's an entirely new revenue stream and a complete business model in its own right. That's easily worth $197. Video traffic training guides. As I say, we've put those in, a set of video guides to help you generate hordes of traffic to your automated webinars, covering free and paid traffic sources, easily again valued at $97. We've also got your bonuses, the internet marketing top paying products, a full list of the highest paying commissions per sale products with full historical performance data, saving you time and money and getting your earnings fast. A value of $17. Similarly, bonus 2, the same thing in the health and fitness niche of the top paying products, also at $17. We've also got a dating and relationship top paying products, again valued at $17. Now that's a total value of $668, but you won't be paying anywhere near that during this special launch period. Today you can get Easy Pro webinars for just $47. So click the button below if you want to grab that now. Before the launch finishes, click the button below and get started today. Because at the end of this launch period, the price will go up dramatically. So to get this at its best price, you need to click the buy button now. Now, of course, we stand behind our products. In fact, we're very proud of our products and so confident in their performance. So confident, in fact, that we offer a full 30-day money back, no questions asked guarantee. So if you're not completely ecstatic with Easy Pro webinars, then just let us know within 30 days and we will refund your entire purchase and still remain the best of friends. So there's absolutely zero risk to you trying out Easy Pro webinars. Now this price is only lasts until the end of this short launch promotion. At the end of the launch period, that price immediately goes up. In fact, Easy Pro webinar will move to monthly payments in the future. Now don't be one of those that dither and regret your lack of decision. Decide to purchase today with zero risk at this amazing low price and get started, as I say, literally today. Generate automated webinars at the click of a button. You are no longer held back by extortionate monthly fees, lack of presentation skills, lack of expensive video software, or not having your own products. Just click the buy button below right now and finally be right up there with the big boys. That's it, guys. It's now on you. Your decision, your time to hit that button. Hi, in this short video, I just wanted to see how quickly I can actually create an Easy Pro Webinars automated webinar using the system. So what I've done, I've just pulled a timer off of the internet, a little web page. I've shrunk it down there in the corner so I can just use that so I can actually see, or you can see more specifically in real time of me actually creating this webinar. So I'm here at getting started. So let's just go for it, shall we? Hit the start button. I'm going to select a niche. I'm going to choose internet marketing or affiliate marketing. I'm going to get started, take us to the main form. And from there, we're going to pick a product. And I'm going to go for this Affiliarama. I need a bonus URL from internet marketing section, the master plan. We need a webinar. I've got a webinar here. I'm just going to, before I select that, collect the description. So I can just go back and put the description in down here. I'm going to put an arbitrary stop, pop-up and end time for the demo. And I'm going to go to my Aweber to grab my web form. And I'm going to pop that in this section here. And then I just need to put in my details. Click webinar, and there we go. Your webinar has been created. The power of affiliate marketing on your online business, which is the name of the webinar. And I'll stop that off at 59 seconds and 6/10. So just under a minute. Brilliant. Okay, just so you can see what the actual webinar looks like. I'll just put the URL for it in here, and this will be the page that you send your people to. Says enter the webinar. The webinar replay will be loaded in a few seconds. Do a quick countdown. The webinar loads and start auto playing. So I'll just give it a few seconds because it's going to pop up for us shortly. And there we go. So that's the time that I set for the pop-up. As you can see, you can go to the paid offer, the attendance bonus, and there's the timer down. and a few more seconds. That will then actually finish the webinar completely. While you're waiting for that, you can see you've got full screen mode. If I put it into full screen mode, you can see that this comes up over the video. So even if they're watching in full screen mode, the pop-up's still going to come right to the top of the screen. And there we go. So the webinar's finished. Just thank you for watching the training through to the end. If you like this training, you're going to love our special offer. Click the big orange button. I have this timer up here which counts down to 0. And when this comes down to 0, you'll wait half an hour for that, obviously, for the demo. Then this link will actually disappear. And that kind of drives them on to click this and get on to look at the paid product before that happens. Hope you enjoyed that. A webinar in under a minute.